Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anant Kumar Das. I have 25 plus years of experience in teaching, training, counseling, and consulting, whereby I have already covered 1000 plus institutions plus 250 plus organizations, whereby I mentored almost 1 lakh students, 50,000 teachers, faculty, trainers, executives, managers, senior managers. Presently, I am author of 4 books and 8 upcoming books by the end of December 2021. Today, I am going to discuss, or you can say, I am going to offer owner, employer, management of schools, colleges, institutes, universities, learning centers, study centers, workshop. That is offline workshop on leadership and management skills for teachers, faculty, trainers. As I repeat, offline workshop on leadership and management skills for teachers, faculty, trainer. Yes, you are supposed to introduce our workshop for your teachers, for trainers, for faculty. Why? Let's understand this. Why you are supposed to introduce our classes, program, workshop for your student also at the same time and for your teachers, trainer, faculty. Because always remember, I will request you all, owner, management and employer, please always remember you have only two assets with you. First is the students, always, and second is your employees. And among employees, teacher, trainer, faculty is the number one assets, because if teachers are trained, definitely they will be able to train students. If students are trained or getting training, definitely there will be 100% placement in terms of, in return, 100% benefit for the institutions. So it's a reciprocal relationship between teacher and students and corporate. Always it works like that. So let's understand why you are supposed to introduce our workshop program for your teachers, trainer, and faculty. I will request all owner, management, and employer of the school, colleges, institutes, universities, learning centers, study centers, please focus on this, because when you hired these teachers, trainer, faculty, these are the 10 points. On the basis of that you hired. First, you had employees on their hard skill, that is only on the basis of their academic curriculum, that is known as IQ only, intelligent quotient. Number two, you hired employees by chance, means they were in the corporate, they shifted to teaching profession by assuming that teaching profession is very easy, but it's not like that. So it's by chance. Most of the corporate people nowadays jumping from corporate to teaching profession by assuming that workload will be very less and it's a very easy job teaching students. It's not like that. Then third, you hired employees who are in a position to perform only two-in-one duties and responsibilities. Only two-in-one. Then fourth point, you hired employees who are only effort oriented, and in India, efforts are never considered. Always remember. Then fifth one, you hired employees who need supervision. Means under supervision only they can work, otherwise they will never work. Then you hired employees, those who are homesick. They don't want to leave. They don't want to go from their hometown to other places. Means not ready to relocate. Then you hired employees who are poor decision making and problem solver and poor high order thinking skills. You hired employees on the basis of prefer to work in groups, because 99% employees love to work in groups alone, not in team. And ninth point, you hired employees who are rigid and unflexible. Rigid and unflexible. And you hired employees on the basis of they are not at all accountable and responsible. So why us? Yes, you are supposed to ask what we will do when you will introduce our classes, program or workshop. What we will do? Definitely we will convert all these 10 points, negative points, into positive points. How? When we will give workshop, after that your employees will have strong soft skills. Very simple in terms of personality development, soft skill, soft communication, spoken English, 21st century skills, and life skill and soft social skills. Then your employee by choice they will start working. Yes, it's as of now it's by chance, then by choice they will start working. Then they will be ready to accept 5-in-1 duties and responsibility. It's my challenge. They will be ready because they will start taking interest in their work. Only then they will be able to perform 5-in-1 duties and responsibilities. Then result oriented. Here you hired effort oriented. Effort never has got any value in this country. Here only result matters, whether it's 1% or 100%. So result oriented employee, we will convert them from effort oriented to result oriented. Then unsupervised. There will be no need of any supervision. After our workshop, your employees will be unsupervised. Your employee will be ready to relocate anywhere in India and abroad. Your employee will be awesome. They will have awesome decision making and problem solver plus high order thinking skills. They will be creative, critical, and they will be able to analyze and interpret everything in a nice way. Then they love to work in team after our workshop. Then they will be flexible and adaptable to any situation wherever you will put them. And the last but not the least, they will be an accountable and responsible world citizen. It's my 100% warranty and guarantee after workshop, classes, or program. Now, at last, what are the benefits? Institutes, school, colleges, universities, learning center, means as an employer, as an owner or management you are going to get, or what exactly employees are going to get. Because most of the employer, owner, management works on GDP, that is gross domestic product, but employees want GDH, that is gross domestic happiness. So what is that? Let's understand. Gross domestic product means for owner, management, employer, rocking net profit for you. If you train someone, if you introduce workshop, classes, program, even though you have in-house trainer with you, the very simple proverb is there: reading one book 10 times is better than read 10 different books for more knowledge and information. We work on this, and everybody is supposed to work on this, because reading one book 10 times will not serve the any purpose. Even though you have in-house trainer, you are supposed to introduce our program. It's my request, give us an opportunity at least for 1 day, 2 days. On the basis of that performance, then you introduce our complete package for your students, for your teachers, trainer, faculty, whosoever need training in your school, colleges, institutes, universities, learning centers, study centers. Then for you, fantastic students admissions. Yes. Number 4, fabulous fees from students. Then number 5, marvelous professional growth, that is institutions stability. These are the 5 benefits you are going to get after our workshop, in terms of when you will introduce our program for students or employees or others. It's up to you. Now, what employees are supposed to get, what teachers, trainer, faculty are supposed to get, that is in terms of gross domestic happiness. For them, it will be career growth and continuous learning for them, so that they will be able to grow, improve, and develop their skills, attitude, perception, everything. Then for them, they will be able to manage work-life balance, that is personal and professional life. Then meaningful work for them, definitely by choice. After workshop, they will feel that whatever work they are getting by choice, they will be able to do that, and they will feel it's a meaningful. Then values and ethics, their values and ethics will be very high, which every employer wants: honesty and integrity along with moral values, ethics, whatever it is. Then last but not the least, individual and professional success for your employees, which in return will benefit your school, your colleges, universities, institutes, learning centers, study centers. This is all about what I will request, yes, you are supposed to introduce our workshop classes program, whether it's for students or for employees, and let's see the result, because we believe in result, because in this country result matters, not efforts. So thank you so much. May God bless you all.